All right. I have a UAP printing in that back room over there. That's for a future video. This just came out, at least I just saw it. And I wanted to go over it. And I did my thing, and I think it looks pretty cool. So let's kind of go over this. So this post is from Tangled. I'm not going to say it. But UAP in that word, Brazil, 15th of December 2024. Few videos show this type of an object, whether they are not poorly or questionably filmed. The overwhelming majority consist of just CGI. So this one, when I see it, there is no red flags for me that say this is CGI. Let's play it. We don't need audio. So there's a few things here that are going on, right? There's camera movement, which is very organic. Somebody's holding it, trying to track something. I see the looks like it's going behind a cloud, so it's kind of disappeared. So we've gone dark there. All right, we've started over. It's just not telling me anything that's saying this is CGI, right? And it could be hidden in, the compression that's in the video, but there's things in here, like I said, the movement, the motion blur and everything like that, that just tells me that this is an actual true object. And if we get into the details of it, the analysis, which is what I do, we can see what's going on. So let's go full screen, and we're going to play it. So off to the left here is the original. It's been stabilized, so that way we can see what's going on. This is just the stabilized version of the original zoomed in. And then what we have here is an inverse, and I worked with the colors quite a bit on this one. There's mostly orange and red. So I was trying to minimize how much of effect that had on the luminosity of the overall image itself from frame to frame. And what I was looking for was to see if we could identify some sort of chassis or hardware that these glowing objects were attached to. And if you look off to the right here, you can see there is light bloom around each one of the different light sources, but it's heavily characterizing a triangle shape here. Okay. And I am definitely seeing that. I tried to bring that out even a little bit more, but the depth of the color in this image just wouldn't let me pull it out. So it just starts to fall apart and look like a mess. So what I think is that these lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5 on the outside and the centerpiece, are actually attached to some sort of chassis. And if I scrub, you can see they move in unison as well. They're not moving, any of them are not moving independent of each other. The center light is staying center. The 5 are moving around it. This is a triangle craft that is flying. That's what this is, in my opinion. So take that from what it's worth. I'm just a guy in the basement going over this stuff with, video analysis and spectral analysis. But in my opinion, this to me looks like a real craft. So we can mark this one up as real. And I don't know what to do with it, but it's just more information. This is a thing. This is a thing.